Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add calendar in Outlook right side. You are going to open your Outlook app. Doing so opens the View menu. In this menu, click on the My Day option. After that, click on Show. Now you will have the calendar in Outlook. There you can navigate through the various days to see activities or add an event with the New Event option. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.